Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a poll in Facebook. So at first, you have to open the Facebook app. And in here, you have to share about the fact that you are connected with a group. And for this, you have to tap on the top right corner. And here, tap on groups. And in here, tap on your groups and then tap on your group. And in this video, I'll show you how to make a poll in your group. So for this, tap on the pencil icon and then tap on poll. And here you have to ask a question. For example, I'll ask a question like this. And here I'll give two options like this. Yes, and in another option I'll write no. And if you guys want to add photo, you guys can also add it like this. And then tap on done. And in that way, you guys can make a poll. And right now, let's post it. As you guys can see, I have created a poll right now. Those people who are connected with you through this group, they will ask your answer like this. They can vote it. And in that way, you guys can also make a poll into your group. If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Thanks for watching our video. See you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.